Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again. In today's video, I'm going to be doing commentary on Untrusted Enterprise Developer. Now if you guys don't know what that is, I will be explaining that in the video, what it does, what can it do to your device, and of course how to remedy this issue. So before we get started, I do have some announcements. Obviously I do give free shoutouts, you know, the usual stuff in my videos. If you guys do want to win a free shoutout, all you have to do is be active on my Twitter or YouTube. I will notice you. It's super easy since I'm a small channel right now. Super easy to get a free shoutout on your channel or on your Twitter. Stay active, like, comment, subscribe, simple things like that, and I will notice you, trust me. Now the winners of today's shoutout is Zonated Tech and the Crazy M8. Be sure to subscribe to them, like them, show them support, say TechnoTrend sent you, and of course if you win, people will do the same. Super simple guys. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys do want to talk to me, join the Discord. It's called TechX. It's one of our teams, so if you guys do want to talk to us, we're active on there every single day. Hope you guys do join and make some friends on there. Alright guys, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm going to be explaining exactly what happened on your iPhone and how to fix this. So basically what happened is you got this application from some installer, which is AppValley22, Tweakbox, any of those specific installers, or you probably installed your own app, which is you're making it or you're testing out a beta, something like that. Now basically what happens is Apple usually finds out that it has to do with piracy and all that, so what they do is they revoke access to the person who signed the application. Now what that means is once they basically ban your account, all the apps that they've signed all of a sudden become unsigned. Now a little message from Apple goes to your iPhone and says you can't use the app anymore. So once it's that, you can't do anything else. You have to basically erase it and reinstall it from whatever source you got it again. There's no way to get it back unless you have a jailbreak of some sort. You probably can, or you could probably have one of those tweaks that have no revokes basically. Now when I mean revokes, it's basically Apple revokes the application you're allowed to use. Now it's kind of weird, but all it does is send one small message to your iPhone that saying that you can't use the app, and that's over. Say like QCode Pro or anything like that, you can't get any files back. It's erased, it's gone. You have to erase the application and install it again. That's basically the only solution for that, unless you have other methods of jailbreak. But other than that, you're basically screwed. Now this doesn't happen often unless it's a certain time of the year where Apple decides to look into Tweakbox and all those developer accounts signing these applications. So you shouldn't have that many issues, but I suggest you save everything online. So online games, stuff like that, hacked stuff online. Don't have something like QCode Pro and then you have like projects waiting for you when you get back, because it's always a risk when having those. I suggest you just buy the application or just get it from someone else's Apple ID. It's very simple to do that, but for the revokes in general, they will happen, and they will happen randomly. No one can tell when they happen, just Apple comes in, swoops in, and decides to screw over everyone. Now thank you for watching this quick video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a like and subscription down towards my name, and turn on the bell icon because YouTube is screwing over everyone these days. So I hope you guys do enjoy. Have a good one. Peace.